Beekeeper is our main channel of communicating, up to the second information in our operation. Even in our morning lineups, we just naturally say, I'll put it on Beekeeper, or can you put that on Beekeeper, that's important. And then people just pick up their phones and whatever we discuss gets blasted the same minute we all decide that it's an important piece of information to share.
We can get the entire hotel working on something immediately rather than have that one department struggle with sending an email and hoping that a couple people help out.
We have a stream known as Crunch. The Crunch is whenever there is need and we need all hands on deck to assist us, we just post it out there and everybody leaves whatever that they are doing and will report on site and will start helping. This really has shown a huge sense of engagement from our associates and a level of assistance which is beyond just sending an email and asking for help.
Beekeeper saves us time and money in so many ways. First of all, the fact that it's clouded, just sending headshots, photos, even a pretty sunset from our rooftop would just weigh down our server. And then also your inbox is smaller. If my inbox is 200, it's like 100 with Beekeeper.
As you can imagine, during events, things come up, and they come up immediately. And before we had Beekeeper, you would either have to physically run around to find somebody, try to call somebody who might be standing in a dead spot, send a text, and wait for a response. And now with Beekeeper, you can either chat directly with the person you need, or you can put out an all-hands message through a manager's chat, or just make a post in one of the feeds.
Whenever our menu changes, we post a picture in newsfeed that this is our current menu. Whenever we have guest issues, we just post it there so the whole hotel knows what's going on and how we made sure the guest was left happy. It's super, super easy.
Beekeeper help us to communicate back of the house information to the front of the house so we are on the same page.
Beekeeper helps with our safety operations because it allows us to send alerts to the whole hotel. It comes directly to our phone, and as soon as we get the alert, we're aware of what's going on in the hotel. It's way easier than any other form of communication we use.
Beekeeper as a training tool has been extremely helpful. I love the feature that we can upload videos on it. We do a lot of mock role plays to enact different service recovery scenarios, different service mishap scenarios, and how we could have rectified it. They're not long, they're easily accessible, and they drive the point home.
Beekeeper helps us deliver such a great guest experience because it's a little cheat sheet for our intuition. We understand when they're coming, who they are, what they do, if they're getting married, if they're a diplomat, anything we know about our guests. We have this secret weapon called Beekeeper.